This is a pile of rubbish, but not just any rubbish. We have water bottles, aluminum cans, and probably some beer bottles in there as well. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Hey everyone, Icon here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money from your rubbish. But before that, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Return and Earn is the New South Wales government's way of encouraging people to recycle their rubbish. It's exclusive to New South Wales, but I'm sure other states have their own programs as well. I'm not sure what they're called, but here in New South Wales, it's called Return and Earn. And as the name suggests, for every eligible drink container that you return, you earn 10 cents. Participating in the Return and Earn program is fairly easy in 3 simple steps. Step 1, collect your containers. Step 2, go to a return point. Step 3, collect your money. There are many return points spread across New South Wales, and to find out one that's closest to you, just download the Tomra app and look for one. Another way is to go to a recycle center and they will exchange your containers for cash right away. And that's what we're going to do now. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go! There are heaps of participating recycling centers across Sydney, and the one closest to us is the St. George Recycling Centre. As soon as you arrive, make sure to get a priority number first before unloading your rubbish. Once your number is called, bring your rubbish to the counter and the staff will unload them on the machine. The machines are pretty smart, and they can easily identify which is plastic, aluminium, bottle, and which ones to discard. I prefer going here because I don't have to count the containers myself and I get cash right away. Most drink bottles and cans are eligible. However, they must be in good condition, are empty, and have the Return and Earn label attached. Plain milk bottles, flavored milk container, and glass wines are not refundable. For a full list of items that are eligible, visit www.returnandearn.org.au. Once counting is done, you will be called again to claim your cash. For this haul, we were able to earn $30. It's not much, but hey, $30 is still $30. So that was really fun. My dad had a good time. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. My name is Icon, and this is a Weekend Warrior. See ya!